Right, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving you the perfect lawn care plan. A few people have asked for this in the comments, so here it is. It's a really straightforward, easy to follow plan, and one that you can adapt to suit your needs too. So let's get straight into it then with feeding your lawn. How often should you apply your lawn feeds? Well, before that, we need to establish what we need. We need a granular feed and we need a liquid feed. A granular is a slow release feed that will put some nitrogen into the lawn, giving it a nice sustained period of growth. Your liquid feed is there to give your lawn a little bit of a boost of growth, and ideally those liquid feeds are best placed between your granulars. But how often should you get on with your granular? Well, the general rule of thumb is the more you cut your lawn, the more often you need to feed. So for example, if you are like a fortnightly kind of guy, you're getting out every 2 weeks and cutting your lawn, then you don't really want to be feeding any more than every 12 weeks with a granular, because if you feed more, you're going to get excessive growth. Your lawn's going to look like the Jungle Book. It'll be a mess. You're not going to like it. If you're someone who can get out and cut the lawn every week, then you can reduce that granular window down to every 8 weeks. And if you want to get out and cut your lawn every 3 to 4 days, then again, squeeze that window down to every 4 weeks for your granular. In terms of your liquids, the general rule of thumb is take that granular feed window and cut it in half. So if you're putting a granular down every 12 weeks, put your liquid down every 6. If you're putting your granular down every 8, put your liquid down every 4. And again, if you're putting your granular down every 4 weeks, put that liquid down every 2. And how you would apply them is initially at the exact same time. And the reason being is because that granular is going to take some time to activate in the soil, whereas the liquid is going to activate straight away. So the liquid's going to give you that boost of growth from the start. But as that liquid growth starts to wane, the granular growth is going to start to take over. And as that granular growth starts to wane, the liquid growth is going to take over again. And just something to bear in mind, that the better you want your lawn to be, the more often you're going to need to cut. And the more you cut, the more you're going to need to feed, enabling you to be able to get out and cut on a regular basis. And in terms of the feeds I use, I've got True Grass as the granular. I've used that for a couple of years. It's Boss. I've got Integral Max as the liquid. It's got a small amount of iron in there, not enough to dehydrate a plant, but enough to give the grass a nice boost of colour. And those two things alone are going to sustain your lawn and get it looking boss all year, just as long as you keep up that cutting schedule on a regular basis. So thanks for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it or found it useful, feel free to give it a like. Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know what your lawn care plan is for this year. Are you feeding every 12 weeks, every 8 weeks, or every 4 weeks, getting yourself an absolutely boss lawn? And also leave some comments down below too of the things you want me to address in these videos. I don't always get to the comments because I do get quite a few on the hundreds of videos that I do have on this channel. But if you want me to discuss anything in more detail, I'll be happy to do so in a video. So leave it down there below. And yeah, finally, thanks for watching.